guys, Jason here at The Mythos Show. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for being a subscriber. Well, as you can see from the aerial footage, we're at the Delaware State Fair, and I'm here photographing the Delaware State Fair. This is my 16th year actually photographing it for the Delaware State Fair. And I camp here, got the camper here, and I wanted to show you guys, because we always do my little segment, you know, what truck you towing with. And I thought it'd be really cool to see what like professional travelers are using. I'll tell you one thing, I am definitely the minority here. I do not see any Tundras here. One, I'm thinking because the Tundra's just too small. These guys are pulling, you know, big concession trailers, big RVs, really cool RVs that actually have like sleeper bunks in them, like multiple rooms. It's really neat for like their employees. But I really wanted to see, you know, what the pros are using. And I think what you're going to see, there's a lot of dualies and like a lot of cab and chassis dualies, which I'm a big fan of. I really like the cab chassis look. Let's go around. I actually stay in the concession area where all the campers are at. So all their trucks are here. So I got my pad and paper, and let's go around, do a count, and let's see who the top truck is. Let's go. Alright guys, so before I show you the truck that I absolutely love, and I wish I could get someday, I love it. Let's go through the count. So, out of everything, the leader was Chevy and GMC with 29, Ford with 21, Dodge 14, and you saw that one Nissan, it was like a brand new Nissan, and my Tundra. So, but let me show you the truck I absolutely love. Alright guys, you ready to see the truck I love? Here it is. The Ram 4500 cab chassis in black. I don't really care for the black, but That thing is just amazing looking. So let's take a look at it real quick. All right, so here it is. Just look at that front end. Oh my God. I just love how the it's got the wide, wide track steering. It's a 4500. Look at it, even comes with that sweet certified clean idle. So the bed is a Carolina Custom. That thing is amazing. So he's hauling like a big fifth wheel trailer. He's got it all set up here. But that is just gorgeous. Bunch of spare tires. Yeah, I've never heard of Carolina Customs, but that's pretty cool. Headache rack. Yeah, this truck is just gorgeous. Yeah, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Wow. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that edition of What Truck You Towing With, coming from the Delaware State Fair in Harrington, Delaware. So, I gotta get going, I gotta get back in there and start photographing. We're at day 6, so we're over the hump and heading down to the last few days here. So, thanks for tuning in guys, thanks for being a subscriber, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.